Hey, this is Elder Michele from the Agape Works Ministry, and I'm going to just do one verse for you today in 1 Corinthians chapter 13. Thank you for signing on. 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 2. I'm going to stay in the Message Bible. And it says, if I speak God's word with power, revealing all his mysteries and making everything plain as day, and if I have faith that says to a mountain, jump, and it jumps, but I don't love, I'm nothing. And so can you, no matter how dynamic a teacher I am, and no matter how much revelation I get, if there's no love, Paul says, the Apostle Paul says that I'm nothing. So can you imagine you can have faith so powerful that it can move a mountain, but you are still nothing? Everybody applauding you, saying you're the man, you're the woman, that you're all that. All you did was move that mountain, but you didn't move God. The power of your words may move mountains, and the crowds will be astounded by your revelation and your dynamic preaching and your teaching. But without love, God says you're nothing. Mighty woman, mighty man of God, don't be more in love with the gift than the gift giver and wind up a nothing. This is Elder Michele from Agape Works Ministry, and this is a judgment-free zone where God's love, it never fails.